area, or 7 miles northwest of Florence, moving east at 50 miles per hour. So if you live in those areas, you need to get into your safe space. If you're north of Florence, you need to get in your safe space. I'm going to organize my radars here real quickly, chat. That. That. I don't think I'm missing any radars. I think I've organized it. I think I've added any sort of additional radars that I need. And I think I could finally start subtracting radars, which is a first. In how long? It has been 13 hours. It has been 13 hours. And I have had to use 7 radars separately. And finally, I've subtracted it down to 6. That's a lot. Lincoln County, what's going on for you guys over there? Lincoln, you're on the Tennessee side of it. There's still a lot of time before those storms get to you, so you still have a lot of time. I would continue to watch out. It'd be about an hour before it gets to you in Lincoln County, Tennessee.